Welcome everyone, this is David Cavagna. I'm CEO of Cavagna Group. I'm coming to you from a very special room during the pandemic. This is where we produced as many as possible oxygen therapy valves to the medical industry. During the lockdown, we worked hard, not only as medical equipment suppliers, but also to guarantee a continuous flow to the LPG industry. LPG has proven to be essential business throughout the world, and today we are here all together to celebrate it. Sharing the concern of COVID-19 while ensuring the safety of our customers, partners and employees, we had to confront the outbreak we were facing as an industry, to adapt ourselves and make adjustments when necessary, even if it means finding out-of-the-box solutions. In fact, participating in these virtual events prove exactly that. Driven by technology, the world is changing, and so are we. By adapting and innovating our industry and business models, today we can say that we are able to face an inevitable digital transformation, while we prepare to meet again soon.
Comprised of 16 manufacturing facilities and serving 145 countries, Cavagna Group is one of the world's leading manufacturers of equipment and components for gas control. Throughout the years, under the Cavagna family's guidance, its organisational structure has progressively increased, and today it is divided into 6 principal focus areas, separated by interest field and target, but with synergy as far as the know-how and business possibilities are concerned. Being active for more than 70 years, always following the original mission, wherever gas is the integral part and provides energy for everyday life, there will be the technological and productive commitment from Cavagna Group. A comprehensive one-stop solution for each type of gas, in order to promote safe and functional utilization in all types of applications.
Greetings from our Cavagna Group headquarters in Brescia, Italy. I am Zafer Dikmen, head of LPG valves and equipment for Cavagna Group. This may not be where we thought we would meet again after Amsterdam in 2019, but the current situation is forcing us to adopt new ways of working and relating to each other. Regardless, we are glad to host you, even if it's a virtual way, in the heart of our group. Here is where the manufacturing of our core products has continued throughout the last few difficult months, and where new paths have evolved by investing in the Internet of Things. Today, I would like to invite you to come with us on this digital journey to see the most important technological advancements we have made over the last year.
So, what have we done since the last World LPG Forum? Well, surprisingly, quite a lot. In order to guarantee enhanced technical performance and a high standard of quality and safety, we have succeeded in keeping up with the unstoppable and unavoidable technological evolution. We have taken on board the contribution of science, technology, and innovation with our research and development team for the future of our industry. We decided to focus on innovation in both products and the manufacturing processes, with significant investments in IoT and Industry 4.0, as we understood the importance of considering artificial intelligence and digital technology as an integral part of our business model. With IoT technologies and the use of smart and connected devices, today we have the chance to improve our businesses, and this also applies to the gas sector. Collecting data allows gas distribution companies to get updated with continuous information about the status of assets delivered and therefore to know more about their customers' habits and behaviour. So how can we make that happen? First of all, you have to rely on connected devices complete with an IoT electronic board, which allows collection of information and a way to communicate it. Once the data has been collected, it is time to access it, and it is precisely at this point that you need an asset management system. Cavagna Group offers you a complete and new service. Its name is Otis, an asset management platform completely developed by Cavagna Group's IoT department. Otis is compatible with GSM, LoRaWAN, NB-IoT, and LTE technologies, and it acts as a collection center, making the data communicated by your devices more valuable. Regardless of whether you are a gas service provider or the final user of the device, the platform gives you a clear overview of the status of your device and updates you about any notifications that come from it. Your data will stay safe, recorded in the cloud platform, and you can access it whenever you want by just logging into your personal account and downloading the detailed and customizable reports. Now, let's have a look at some of our IoT connected devices. Click is an automatic changeover IoT device that allows the end consumers and the LPG distributors to remotely monitor multi-cylinder installations, avoiding manual cylinder readings and emergency deliveries, offering a customized and optimized gas delivery service. Prodigy is the Cavagna Group ultrasonic smart meter for residential use, with a high-performance ultrasonic sensor and IoT capabilities. This smart gas meter, MID certified for both natural gases and all mixtures of LPG, collects data about gas used and sends the information to the asset management platform.
Thanks for taking this journey with us. We hope that we have been able to show you our commitment to LPG industry. See you in the virtual meeting rooms.